Pack your bags, we're taking a 30-minute plane ride to Tuscany with Tuscan chicken flatbread. This is an extremely easy weeknight meal because we're using leftover chicken breast, a pre-made classic pizza crust, shredded mozzarella, and a simple jar of tomato basil sauce. Other than that, we'll be using cannellini beans, a red onion, garlic, olive oil, oregano, parsley, and parmesan. We'll start by prepping our crust. Get your oven going, set to 450. Since we're using a basic store-bought crust, we can take some simple steps to jazz it up. Grab a medium bowl to mix together the olive oil, minced garlic, parm, oregano, and parsley. This mixture is going to get brushed over the top to add some flavor and depth. Unroll your crust onto a rimmed baking sheet and brush it down. To get it nice and crispy, we'll pre-bake for 10 minutes. Once your crust starts to turn golden, pull it out to top. Make sure you have everything close by, and like any good pizza, we'll start with the sauce. I like a little crust to hold, so I'm leaving a ½ inch border. Then I'm sprinkling mozzarella cheese over the top, followed by my chicken, onions, and beans. Pop your pie back into the oven and watch it melt into a mouth-watering musical medley of Mediterranean flavors. Or about 8 minutes. Pull it back out and cut into 8 pieces. I'm team rectangle on flatbread, but triangles are great as well. Give a final sprinkle of your accoutrement if you so desire. I'm bringing back my parm, parsley, and oregano. All that's left is to dig in. Flatbreads are a great blank canvas to use leftovers, make something delicious yet quick, and explore your creativity. Make this one your own and let us know your toppings. See you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.